In this video, I'm just going to show you how to put hours on a job and service call. So this is the main menu, and this is the little sub-menu. Most of you will only see home, support, and jobs, I believe. So to put hours on a job, we'll go to jobs, and here there's a jobs section. Click on that, and then find your job. There's multiple ways to search for it. If you know the number, you got that. Description, company. Just be careful sometimes if you are doing a company like St. Luke's. If you just put in Luke's like that, it won't come up with anything. That's because there's an apostrophe. So what I usually do is just take a keyword. So Luke, I'll put in there, and it'll pop up everything for Luke's. So find your job, click on that. It'll take you into the kind of job folder. Then you're going to tasks, and inside that right now there's one, but sometimes there's going to be multiple tasks. Just select whatever's most applicable, if it's programming or terminating, devicing. So click on that, and then click on work on, and that will open up kind of your timesheet. So you're gonna put in your who's actually working. So if you know your number, you can just type it in. Otherwise, click the little search guy and find your name in here. You can search for it pretty easy. So let's see, Dan 57. So work type, if it's regular PW, service code, most of the time it's an install job. Other times it's non-billable. These other ones are for service calls. So non-billable or install job usually. So description, this is optional, but it's easy just to put a terminated ends, and then it's easy to look for it if you need to. Start date and end date, it's going to be the same day, and you can double click if it's today. This will, double clicking will default into whatever time and date it is. So I'll just put in your start date, end time. Here's your travel to, travel from, labor hours, lunch hours. Remember to put in minutes and not fractions. So lunch hours will be :30 and not :50. So lunch end time and start time. There's POV mileage, and then all you're going to do is write out what you did for the job, what rooms you flipped, stuff like that. Okay, so and then you're just going to hit save, and you're done. So let's go to putting hours on a service call. So service calls are located in support, and then I don't think you'll see all these options. So, but go down to service calls. That'll open them all up, and you'll just find your service call by searching again, or if it's recently, it might be in the top here. So you just click on whatever service call is yours, then go to work details this time, and that'll post all the work details down here. You just hit new, and it will look exactly like the job. So, and the only difference really is going to be the service code. Here, this is a sound one, so that's going to be that. But again, description, start date, end date, travel, labor, travel, all these things. POV, mileage if it's a POV. The reason for visit is in here because it's a service call. And then just put what you did for it, and make sure you are in work done for service call and not work done for job. So yeah, and then you hit save, and you're done. That's how you put hours on service calls or jobs.